Greetings and salutations, loyal viewers and friends out there, and a happy Halloween! Yes, today I come to you on this Hallows Eve to tell you all the terrifying tale of one of the most mysterious birds in the world, the terrifying werebird. A werebird comes around once every 500 years, when the full moon shines down on an innocent little birdie. And unfortunately, it happened to a good birdie friend of mine. Allow me to tell you, it all happened one terrifying night. Hey, Kermit. Oh, hey, Big Bird. Hey, I'm looking forward to King Julian's Halloween party tonight. Yup, his big, super spectacular Halloween bash. He's been promoting it every day since October started. Yeah, I know. I'm meeting up with you in Plankton, right? Yep, then we'll head down to the party. Good. Do you know if it's a custom party? I don't know, but knowing Julian will probably change the rules last minute. Yeah, it sounds like him. Well, anyway, I'm going to go for a nice stroll, and I'll meet you in Plankton later. Okay, see you then, Big Bird. Bye-bye. Very curious to see how this party is going out. Me hope there'll be cookies. Where'd you come from? Up there. Was that a reference? Yes. What a beautiful night. Oh, look, a full moon. Ain't it pretty? Sure to be getting back to work soon. Julian's party's gonna start any minute. Oh, hey, Big Bird. Big Bird. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you? What is wrong? Big Bird. Big Bird, sit around. Big Bird. Big Bird. Where's Big Bird? Where's Plankton? You're supposed to meet me here. Hi, Frog. Hi, Mr. Moose. How you? I'm fine. Hey, you going to the party? Yeah, I'm just waiting for Big Bird and Plankton. Do you know where they are? No. Oh, wait. There's Big Bird. You look different. Did you get a haircut? Why is he looking at me like that? I don't know. What? What's it? See, Mr. Moose? What's wrong with you, Big Bird? Something tells me I should probably run for my fucking life! Run away! Oh, Kermit, good. Listen, I mean to talk to you. I know I'm like the president of the land and all, but I feel like my video appearances have been kind of low, and I was kind of wondering, Big Bird, that thing, go loco, and I need to hide! What are you talking about? How bad is it? That's bad. Hop on. Let's chase it! Run away! What is that all about? Hey, keep away from the officer, sir. No need to get hostile. Oh! Quick to the door! We'll head downstairs! Hey, Kermit, we're not Patrick, I don't have time right now! Don't have time for Patrick Storer? What a loser! Oh, hi, Casey Jones! really get angry. Ah! This party will be the best Halloween party I've ever thrown. Now, where am I getting the shower with presents? They should be here by now. Quick, we'll hide in here. Oh my goodness! Don't run away. Come to my party right now. Let's go. Julie, we don't have time for this. The time for King Julian's other Halloween party? I've been playing this thing for a time. Oh, ungrateful people! Oh, a guest! Where am I? Oh, a hug with a generous gift. Oh. Okay, Kermit, should be good here. Yeah, you're right. I just gotta figure out what's going on with Big Bird. We know what's going on with the bird. What? Plankton, Jimmy! Unless you return my texts, Plankton. I'm sorry, Kermit. We've got a crisis on our hands concerning our pal Big Bird. Yeah, tell me about it. He's been acting crazy and eating people. Yes. Well, my scientific pal and I have discovered the terrifying truth of what's been going on with our fine feathered friend. But what is it? Big Bird has turned into a werebird. A werebird, not a werebird. What's that? It's a terrifying creature. It's a mix of a bird and a werewolf. And it only happens once every 500 years when the full moon shines on an unlucky bird. And he transforms into the werebird. And looks like Big Bird was the unlucky bird this year. Yes, poor Big Bird. Well, what are we gonna do? Yeah, we can't just stand here and let Big Bird be this cursed werewolf bird mixture forever. Well, that's the point if you let us finish. Jimmy and I have been doing the work, and there's only one way to stop this. How? We have to scare the spirit out of Big Bird. Sorry, what? We have to scare the possessed bird before the moon covers up again, or Big Bird will be stuck in this form forever. Well, how do we scare him? Well, Jimmy and I were also thinking about that, and we have a solution. Ghosts. We've got all kinds of ghosts. Half ghosts, real ghosts, Nintendo ghosts, all the ghosts. We just gotta lower Big Bird here, and then we'll scare him straight. And then Danny will use his certain thermos once Jimmy tells Danny the plan. And catch the spirit. Well, okay then. We'll find something to lure the bird. Yes, let's go. Alright, and I will go find the Flying Dutchman and the booze. Well, I'll go call Danny. Meet back here as soon as you can.
A few moments later.
Okay, we have the ghosts. Yep, we did. Yeah. Okay, good. So now we just have to hide here behind this couch and wait. Oh, by the way, did you get bait? Yep, I did. Look over there. Okay. Let's see what you got. Hey, the frog. A question. Why Benny? Hey, he's acting like Big Bird's acting like a predator, and predators eat meat. And predators mainly also get rabbit meat. Fair enough. Shh, here he comes. Stay low, be quiet. Oh, right. I don't get this. Why am I here? What are you looking at? Hey, don't get too mean there. It is one of those things I yell at you. I didn't mean it, okay? I just had to get down, John. What is that? When the doors creak and the tombstones wake, spooks come out for a swing and rake. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Now don't close your eyes, don't try to hide, or a spooky throat might be by your side. Shrouded in a dark disguise, they pretend to terrorize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Boom. And the moon hangs high and the dead oak trees. Spooks arrive for a midnight spree. Creepy creep with eerie eyes start to shriek and harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When you hear the kneel of a Christian bell, we're going to the spirit dwell. Restless bones, ethereal lies, rise as spooks of every size. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. That was actually kind of fun. That's it? You call that a plan? Some cheesy little musical nut. Wow. Ow! That's right, I am the ghostly spirit of the werebird. And now I am free. I will hunt any bird in this system, in this world, and I will get them to eat everybody and then rule the world. Wait. Yeah, good luck doing that in the ghost zone prison, buddy. Well, I've done my part now. I'm out here to hunt more souls on old Hallows Eve. Yeah, I have to go skill Luigi. Okay. Oh. Well, Big Bird, are you okay? What happened? It's a long story. Come on, let's get you to the couch. You too, Bunny. It's Benny! Well, did it work? Yep, it sure did. Definitely worked. Yeah. Yeah, my head hurts. Oh, Big Bird, are you okay? What happened, Kermit? You got possessed and kind of went crazy. What? Yes, that's right. Wait! Oh no! What about the people Big Bird ate? What? That was under the spirit, Big Bird, but you're right, I didn't think about that. Hey, Ghost Boy, what is it, Rabbit? What's going on with that thing? What? Oh, I don't know. Uh-oh. You. Wait. No, you can't arrest Big Bird. How did you know he was gonna do that? He's a police officer. Oh, my skull. Oh, what happened? Where's my popsa? I'm not gonna arrest Big Bird. I heard all about it. This is the werebird, right? How do you know about the werebird? Oh, I had to help my cousin once in Chicago with the same thing 500 years ago. You did? Yeah? How old are you? I'll never tell. Okay. Yeah, I better just put this away. There we go.
So is the bird okay?
Yes, I'm fine now, Patrick.
Oh, good. Nice to see. Good.
Oh, Patrick, maybe not do that during this situation.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, but what about my party? That's the only important thing. Who cares about him?
Wow, just wow.
Shut up, you ghost boy.
Yeah, all right, I've had enough of this. I'm out of here.
No. Don't you go anywhere. You have to attend my party right now.
No, I have to get my Dunkin' Donuts coffee later.
My party? Who's gonna come to my royal party? Party? What party?
I don't know if I want up to go to a party anymore. Yeah, after today, I just want to nap. Yeah, I got things to do in the morning.
This is all your fault. You had to get possessed on the day of my party. I'll kill you.
Ow, 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 ow. All right, that's it. Free. You're under arrest for for bird abuse. I'm taking you to the pound. Let's go. Let me go. Let me go. I planned for months for this party. Let me go. Was he always like this? Oh, worse. Definitely worse. Alright, Kurt, look out the window. Looks like we stopped it just in time. Yeah, otherwise we had to put up with that werebird forever. Whew. Oh boy. Kermit, can we have a party? Like, King Julian just got arrested. I wasn't talking to you. Yeah, I know, but I'm gay. Julian just got arrested. How are we gonna have a party? Hey, we could have our own party. Our own party? That could work, but where would we have this party?
Oh, I have an idea.
Yeah, that's right, people. Party in the trash can. Have fun, go crazy, but don't forget anything. You'll pay for it. I can't believe I'm saying this, but this was a really great idea, Patrick.
Why should you not say that? I always have good ideas.
Yeah. Man, I never partied in a trash can before. This is pretty fun, right, Danny? Yeah, it's definitely an interesting experience. Yeah, hey, let's stop for apples. Oh, I'm right behind you there. Haha. Hey, Big Bird. Oh, sorry. Hey, you doing okay? Well, I have a bit of a headache, but I'm doing okay. We didn't get to go to King Julian's party, though. Yeah, but you know what happened. Sorry this happened to you. Hey, it's not my fault. How was I supposed to know every 500 years this would happen to any bird? Yeah, we didn't know which bird it would be. Yeah, you should just be lucky that we didn't get my cousin, my cousin the hawk came for a visit. Because if it happened to him, he would have been goners. A cousin was the hawk? And this concludes the story of the whale bird. So always remember, whenever a whale bird is in your presence, you can always rely on ghosts or music to help you. Hope you all enjoyed this Halloween special, and we hope you enjoy your Halloween, wherever you do Halloween. So thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and happy Halloween.
Subscribe!